Morning children. So today we will solve fractions and decimals exercise 2.5 seventh question. Okay, so the seventh question is Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. Okay, A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? Okay, so here two people are there, Dinesh and Ayub. They both are travelling from place to place. Now you have to find who travelled more and by how much. Okay, so Dinesh, see first one. Dinesh went from place A to place B. So I have shown in the form of figure here. Okay, now this is place A, place B, place C and place D. Okay, wherever you can take. Now Dinesh went from place A to place B. Okay, so from here to here Dinesh went first. Then from place A to place B and from there to place A, C. Okay, from B to again he went to place C. Okay, now A is 7.5 kilometer from B. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. This is A, this is B. So how much distance they have given is 7.5 kilometer. Yes, A is 7.5 kilometer from B. Okay, then B is 12.7 kilometer from C. B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Okay, so this distance from place B to place C is given as 12.7 kilometer. Okay, so this is the distance travelled by Dinesh. Okay, first he goes from place A to place B and distances from A to B 7.5 kilometer. Then from B he goes to C, place C, and the distance from place B to place C is 12.7 kilometer. So this is by Dinesh. Okay, now next Ayub. Okay, Ayub went from place A to place D. Place A to place D. Ayub goes from A to D and from there to place C. From D again he goes to place C. Okay, he goes like this. Ayub goes in this form, A to D, D to C. Okay, and now see next is D is 9.3 kilometer from A. D is 9.3 kilometer from A. So this distance from place A to place D is 9.3 kilometer. And from A to C, from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Okay, so C, first D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. So this distance is 11.8 kilometer. Okay, so now you have to find out who travelled more and by how much. Okay children, so firstly let us write distance travelled by Dinesh, okay, will be equal to. So now Dinesh, we know Dinesh goes from A to B and then B to C he goes. Okay, so you have to write the distance between, distance travelled by Dinesh is nothing but distance between place A and place B. Distance between, distance travelled by Dinesh is equals to distance between place A and place B. Okay, first he goes from place A to place B. Distance you have to write. Plus he goes from B to C. Okay, so write plus distance between place B and place C. Okay, so these two distance if you add you will get the distance travelled by Dinesh. Okay, so A to B distances, place A and place B distances 7.5 kilometer. plus the distance between place B to place C is 12.7 kilometer. Okay, now add these two. If you add these two, you will get the distance traveled by Dinesh. You know how to add the decimals. Yes, 7.5 plus 12.7. Okay, you have to add. So it is to 20.2 kilometer. Okay, so this is distance traveled by Dinesh. Now write distance traveled by Ayub. Okay, so distance traveled by Ayub, how he travels? He travels from A to D and then D to C. Ayub, A represents Ayub. Ayub travels from first A to D and then D to C. Okay, so you have to add the distance from place A to D and the distance from place D to C. This distance if you add, you will get the distance traveled by Ayub. Okay, so write distance traveled by Ayub is equals to distance between place A and place D plus distance between place D and place C is equals to. Okay, so add these two distances now. So distance traveled between place A to D is 9.3 kilometer plus next distance between place D to place C is 11.8 kilometer. Now add these two. 9.3 plus 11.8. Okay, so you will get 21.1 kilometer. Okay children, so this is the distance traveled by Ayub. Now write who traveled more. Who traveled more now here? Now you can see 21.1 here and 20.2 here. So which one is greater children? Yes, 21 is greater than 20, isn't it? So 21.1 is greater than 20.2. So therefore 21.1 is nothing but the distance traveled by Ayub. Okay, so Ayub travels more here. Okay, Ayub traveled more, and by how much also they have asked. So how to find how much? You have to subtract 21.1 minus 20.2 will give you by how much he traveled more. Okay, so write therefore Ayub traveled more by how much? So by also you write by 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer. That is nothing but you have to subtract 21.1 minus 20.2. Okay, so you get here. Okay, so you get 11 minus 2 here is 9. Here cancels 0, 0. Okay, so you get 0.9 kilometer. Ayub traveled more by 0.9 kilometer. Okay, children. So this completes the 7th question. Now children, let's continue with the 8th question. So the 8th question is Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Okay, so here also you have to find who bought more fruits. Okay, so one is Shyama. He brought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Okay, so two different kinds of fruit he brings, apple and mangoes. The weight of those two they have given here. And Sarla brought oranges and bananas, and the weight of oranges and bananas is also given. So you have to find out who bought more fruits. So for that, firstly you have to find the total quantity of the fruits bought by Shama and by Sarla. Okay, then you can compare who has brought more fruits. Okay, so firstly let's write fruits bought by Shama first. Okay, by Shama is not fruits bought by Shama is nothing but equal to weight of apples plus weight of mangoes. Okay, two kinds of fruit he has brought, apples and mangoes. So if you add the weight of both the fruits, you will get the fruits bought by Shama. Okay, now write the weights. Weights they have given. Weight of apples is 5 kg 300 gram. Okay, plus it is mangoes. Weight of mangoes is nothing but 3 kg 250 gram. Okay, it is given in the question. Now you have to add these two. Okay, so 5 kg plus 3 kg is nothing but 8 kgs. Okay, and 300 gram plus 250 gram is nothing but, you have here 550 gram. Okay children, so now this 8 kg 550 gram you can also write it in decimal form. Okay, you have learned in the previous video how to convert into decimal. So 8 kg as it is, 8 kg it is already in kg. To convert 550 gram into kgs you have to divide by 1000. Yes, because 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams, so divide by 1000. Okay, so if you divide, you will get 0 will cancel. 8 kg plus 55 by 100 is nothing but 0.55, that is nothing but 8.55 kg. Okay, now we have converted this into decimal form. Now next, find fruits bought by Sarla is equals to weight of, she has also brought two types of fruits, that is oranges and bananas. So weight of oranges plus weight of bananas. Okay, add the two. So weight of oranges is nothing but 4 kg 800 gram plus weight of bananas is nothing but 4 kg 150 gram. Now if you add this 4 plus 4 you will get 8 kg and 800 plus 150 is 950 gram. Now this also to convert into decimal form, 8 kg as it is plus gram converting into kgs you have to divide by 1000. Okay, so you will get 8 kg plus, this is in the decimal form is 0.95 kgs. Okay, so totally if you add you will get 8.95 kgs. Okay, so now this fruits bought by Sarla is 8.95 kg and by Shama is 8.55 kg. Okay children, so now how to compare? Okay, by Shama is 8.55 and by Sarla is 8.95. Okay, so which one is greater now here. Okay, so now firstly see the first digit, 8 and 8 same, so we cannot compare. Next see the next digit after decimal point. Here is 5, here is 9, so naturally the 9 is greater than 5, so therefore 8.95 is greater than 8.55. so therefore who brought more fruits, children? 8.95 is represented by Sarla. Okay, so right, therefore Sarla bought more fruits. Okay, so this completes the 8th question. Okay children, now coming to the last question of the exercise 2.5, that is 9th one. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? Okay, so 28 kilometer is how much less than 42.6 kilometer you have to find out. So less, how much less it is you have to find out means what you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract 42.6 minus 28 to get how much it is less. Okay children, so for that let's subtract 42.6 minus 28. Okay, is 28. Now it is a whole number, 28 is a whole number, but in 42.6 we have one digit after decimal point, so here it is not there, so you can write it as 28.0. okay, and then subtract. Okay, so 6 minus 0 is 6, so this becomes 12, 3, so it is 4 and 1, so 14.6. okay children, so right, therefore 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer, 42.6 kilometer by 14.6 kilometer. Okay children, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? To find out that we have to subtract, so we'll get 14.6, so right, therefore 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 by 14.6 kilometer. Okay, so this completes the exercise 2.5. In the next video we will learn multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, thank you children.